Have your legs been feeling weak lately, like they just don't carry you the way they used to? Maybe you're getting tired faster or struggling to stay steady on your feet. You're not alone, and it's not just aging. New research shows that certain natural teas can actually help rebuild leg strength, improve blood flow, reduce inflammation, and even give your energy a serious boost, all without relying on pills or painful exercises. They are simple, safe, and backed by science. One long-term study in Japan, for example, found that older adults who regularly drank green tea were far more likely to maintain muscle strength and balance. This is a powerful habit, even for a legendary sprinter like Hideaki Miyazaki, who kept running past the age of 100 and credited his daily cup of green tea. In this video, we'll reveal the top 3 best teas for seniors to boost leg strength and energy. Each one is carefully chosen and fact-checked by health researchers so you can trust the information you're getting. And if you stick with me to the very end, I'll share one surprising tea ingredient you've probably never heard of that can supercharge circulation and fight muscle fatigue. You won't want to miss it. Let's dive in. A warm, soothing cup of ginger turmeric tea can be a true game changer for stronger legs and a natural energy boost. If your legs feel heavy or you get tired on the stairs, this tea might become your new favorite habit. Why it works so well. Ginger and turmeric are 2 of nature's strongest anti-inflammatory roots. They actively ease the inflammation that leads to sore joints, stiffness, and muscle fatigue. For many seniors, it's not just weak muscles holding them back, but also the aches and swelling that come after even light activity. This tea goes right to the source of that problem. But it doesn't stop there. Ginger contains natural compounds called gingerols that improve blood circulation. Think of your legs like hard-working machines. They need a steady supply of oxygen-rich blood to stay strong and rebuild. When circulation slows down, fatigue and unsteadiness creep in. Drinking ginger tea regularly can gently boost blood flow, helping your legs feel more alive. Now let's talk about turmeric. This golden spice contains curcumin, famous for its ability to fight inflammation and protect muscles. If your knees pop when you stand or you feel sore after a short walk, curcumin can help calm all that down. When inflammation is reduced, your muscles can finally do their job, stabilize your body and power your every move. This tea also provides a gentle energy boost. It's not like coffee that can make you jittery. Instead, ginger naturally supports your metabolism, helping your body turn food into usable energy more efficiently. Instead of feeling sluggish after lunch, you might feel more alert and motivated for that short walk you've been meaning to do. How to make it? Simply use a few slices of fresh ginger, a teaspoon of ground turmeric, and hot water. Let it steep for 10 minutes. Now let's move on to something truly revitalizing. Ginseng Green Tea. If you've been feeling drained, like your legs give out halfway through the day, this tea could be exactly what your body's been asking for. It acts like a gentle wake-up call for your entire system, muscles, brain, and those tired legs. We're blending 2 powerful plants. First, green tea loaded with antioxidants. Second, ginseng, a root used for centuries to fight fatigue, build strength, and restore vitality. Why ginseng helps your legs so much? Ginseng is famous for its adaptogenic power, meaning it helps your body handle stress. Aging creates stress on muscles and joints every single day. Ginseng helps ease that internal stress, giving your body resilience so your legs don't feel like they're fighting you. Research also shows ginseng can improve muscle performance and endurance. It helps your muscles use oxygen more efficiently, which translates to better stamina. The role of green tea. Pair that with green tea and you get even more benefits. Green tea is rich in antioxidants that fight free radicals in your muscles and joints. This matters because free radicals cause cellular damage over time. Regular green tea drinking supports your body's natural repair process, helping your muscles stay stronger. And unlike coffee, green tea gives a smooth, balanced lift thanks to L-theanine, an amino acid that calms while boosting alertness. How to make it. Steep a green tea bag in hot water for 2 to 3 minutes. Then, add a few thin slices of ginseng root or about a quarter teaspoon of dried ginseng powder. Let it steep for another 5 minutes. Add a touch of honey or a squeeze of lemon for flavor. A delicious, energizing cup of leg-friendly strength. Now let's talk about a very special tea that does more than just support your legs. It helps bring back balance, calm, and strength to your entire body. It's called Ashwagandha Root Tea. Ashwagandha is what we call an adaptogen, meaning it helps your body handle stress, fatigue, and age-related wear and tear. This is incredibly important for older adults. As we age, muscles don't just weaken from lack of activity. They're also affected by chronic stress, poor sleep, and hormonal changes. How it works. When we're stressed, the body releases cortisol, the stress hormone. Too much cortisol weakens muscles and drains energy. Ashwagandha helps regulate cortisol, calming the nervous system and helping your body prioritize healing and muscle restoration. Several studies have shown that ashwagandha can increase muscle strength and endurance, even in older adults. Ashwagandha also supports nerve health, which is crucial for how your legs feel when you walk. It helps strengthen the connections between your brain and muscles, improving coordination and responsiveness. And if you struggle with sleep, this tea really shines. Drinking it in the evening can help you relax and promote deeper, more restful sleep. Better sleep means better muscle recovery because our muscles repair themselves while we rest. How to prepare it? You can find ashwagandha root in dried pieces or powder. Simmer it gently in water for 10 to 15 minutes. Strain and drink it warm. Add cinnamon or honey if you prefer a sweeter flavor. You can drink it in the morning for all-day calm or at night to promote muscle recovery as you sleep. Either way, consistency is the key. So there you have it. 3 powerful natural teas that can truly change how your legs feel and how much energy you have each day. Ginger Turmeric Tea to calm inflammation and improve circulation. Ginseng Green Tea to boost muscle strength and stamina. Ashwagandha Root Tea to bring back balance, ease stress, and support overnight recovery. These aren't just warm, comforting drinks. They're simple daily tools to help you walk steadier, feel stronger, and move through life with more confidence and less pain. Remember, the secret is consistency. Just 1 cup a day can create real improvements over time. If this video helped you, please hit that like button. And don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you never miss out on future videos. We'd love to hear your thoughts, so drop a comment below and let us know what you think.